A quick three questions for Moses here. Number one, we've got some sodium chloride and we've got some potassium iodide. So we've got iodides and chlorides. And we're going to mix them with silver nitrate. So obviously, I'm going to get a silver chloride precipitate and a silver iodide precipitate. The silver chloride is yellow, and the silver iodide is yellow, and the silver chloride is white. There you go. That's up to here. Followed by concentrated ammonia. Ammonia is going to dissolve this one. Okay, it's going to dissolve the white one. It's going to leave the yellow one. So we're going to get, at the end, after we've added the concentrated ammonia, we get just the yellow precipitate, unless I mess up something there. But that looks quite reasonable. All right. Next one, quickly. Q is a mixture of group 2 oxide and group 2 sulfate. Q contains equal amounts of the two compounds. Oh dear. So if it's group 2 oxide, the formula is going to be that. If it's going to be a group 2 sulfate, the formula is going to be that, because it's group 2. All right. Q is shaken with water, and the resulting mixture is filtered. The solid residue is obtained. There is no reaction when the solid residue is shaken with HCl. Shaking the filtrate with sulfuric acid produces a white precipitate. Oh, I hate these ones. You just got to dig around, haven't you? All right, Q is shaken with water. All right, so if we shook these with water, where are we? Shaken with water, the resulting mixture is filtered and the residue is obtained. There is no reaction when the residue is shaken with HCl. Okay, so let's have a look at the first one. The filtrate, on the other hand, gives us a white precipitate. Sorry, I don't know why I'm just coughing all of a sudden. Let me pause the video for 2 seconds and get some water. Okay, I'm back. I don't know if I'm cured, but I'm back. Let's go through them one by one. Let's say if it's A. Okay, so we filter the mixture. Now, barium oxide will react with water to give me barium hydroxide. Now, you should all know barium hydroxide is soluble. Okay, they increase solubility going down the group. So this is a question really about solubility. So this will go through. It will give me barium hydroxide here. But barium sulfate is very, very insoluble. So I'll have barium sulfate here. Okay, that's up to here. There's no reaction when the solid residue is shook with HCl. Yeah, there's going to be no reaction between barium sulfate and HCl. So far, this looks good. Shaking the filtrate, which is this thing, with sulfuric acid produces a white precipitate. Yeah, it will, because if you put sulfuric acid in here, it will react with the barium ions and the sulfate ions to give me barium sulfate, and that is a white precipitate. So the answer looks like A. That's lucky that it's A. All right, let's go to the next one. Gases, products of heating a mixture of that and that. I'll pass through solid. I don't know what that says, Moses. Solid A. Oh, solid A. Oh, is that? I don't know. Pass through solid something. This is why you guys should give me the actual question papers, eh? Because it's impossible sometimes to answer these. The gaseous products of heating calcium hydroxide. So let's heat calcium hydroxide. When you heat calcium hydroxide, you get calcium oxide and water. So presumably the gaseous product is water. And this guy, ammonium chloride, I'm going to get ammonia as a gas and HCl as a gas. So these three things here are the gases that you get. I'll pass through solid, I don't know what, I hope this isn't important. A single gaseous product W is collected. A sample of W reacts with Cl to produce two gases X and Y. Oh, I wonder what this is here. A sample of W reacts with chlorine to produce two gases X and Y. X is an element, Y is acidic. Y reacts with W to produce Z. I don't think I can do it until I know what this is here. So I'm going to have to stop the video there, I'm afraid. Okay. Yeah, I just don't know what it is, guys. I pass through solid something. So a single gaseous product W is collected. No, I don't think I can do it without. Sorry, guys. If you've got time, drop me a line. Eh?